let's get ready. I'm about to head over to one of my friends' houses. We can do like a little girls' night / Valentine's Day get together. And I'm so excited because the Plum lip and cheek shade is finally back in stock. I was hurting without it. Look at her, fresh, so fresh. I love this shade. It's one of my favorites, especially for brown skin tones. I just feel like it just gives you like that nice deep pop that you need. And I like to put this on when my foundation is still like quote unquote wet. I haven't put any like setting powder or anything down. I have like my cream bronzer and stuff down. So I like to put down my cream lip and cheek shade. Okay, so I'm just blending everything out, blending out our concealer. This shade looks so nice. Tonight with my friend, I think we're just gonna do like, I have a bottle of wine for us, I have some chocolates. I don't know, this is one of like my oldest friends, so I don't know like what exactly we have planned, but we always do kind of like little like sleepover nights or whatever with each other. At our big age, yes. I am 30 and she is 36. Oh, I'm 31. Wow. Really missed the boat there, didn't I? And I always kind of like to make sure like my cream blush and bronzer like mix together. Like not too much, but I don't want them to look too separated either. I feel like that's when you kind of get like, you know, clowny looking. It doesn't look, you know, blended and everything like that. You want these colors and these shades to kind of like mesh together and create, you know, an illusion of like fading and contouring and highlighting and all that stuff. You want it to like be blended together. Okay, so now I'm going in with the espresso bronzer. I've applied my setting powder and everything. I love to set like my cream products with a powder product, which, side note, Subtl. If we could get a powder of the Plum blush to layer them on top of each other to like really set that. Call me up for product development. I love this bronzer. It's so easy to use. I'm actually like staying the night at my friend's house, so everything I use here today, I'm probably just gonna stack it up and throw it in my bag because it's so small and compact. I don't have to bring a big like makeup bag or anything. Like that's like literally what I loathe. I hate doing that. So I'm definitely gonna be stacking these up. And now that I used Plum, I like to go in with a powder blush on top to kind of layer, create my own little shade or whatever. This is Pink in a Pinch. It's my favorite, hands down. It's the best. And just, you see I just tapped it one time. That's all you need. It's gonna give you the best color payoff. And I'm using the same brush that I used to apply Plum, so those colors really marry together really well. Just one little tap is all you need. And blush is the fastest to fade, so I always like to put a cream down then a powder on top to make sure it lasts all day long. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of the shine powder, and I just like to tap this on like a little black puff and just like pat it over everything. Just make sure everything is like stays set, because you know the blush is gonna fade, okay? But the longer we can prolong it, the better. Okay, so we have on most of our face. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of lip and cheek, and I'm all about a layer. I'm a layering girl. I like to like add dimension and depth where I can. So I have lip liner and like a very, very pale pink lipstick on, and I'm just blotting some of the purple, and I'm just blotting some of the Plum on. So it just makes it like a pinky purpley shade. Look at that. All right, so this is how our look turned out with the Plum, which is back in stock, so you should definitely go make sure you get that, and all the other products I mentioned too, because look at this. This is my stack that I'm taking to my friend's house tonight, so I don't be having to worry about all that stuff. Now, a little bronzer, a little blush, a little lip and cheek, a little shine control powder, and I'm good to go. Okay.